Hello everybody, welcome to the Sleep Play YouTube channel. My name is Ozzy and I'm the respiratory therapist with sleepplay.com. So you purchased a ResMed AirMini and now you want to know how to maintain your CPAP for optimal therapy? We're going to get into it in this video. Maintaining your ResMed AirMini is actually quite simple and easy to do. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually remove the power cord from your AirMini. You want to remove the power cord so that you make sure that you don't short circuit the machine. Then you're going to want to disconnect your mask and tubing setup by pressing the two ends right here, the two gray tabs, press and pull out. We're going to set this aside. When it comes to your actual device, you want to get a clean, dry cloth and just wipe it down. Make sure there's no dust on the machine. When you're wiping it down, make sure to remove your filter cover and clean your filter cover inside and out. If there's any dust or debris inside the little holes, you can get a little soft bristle brush to get that out of there. Now that you have the machine, the cover off, you want to make sure to check your filter for any damage or any debris and replace it as needed. You can also get your soft bristle brush and make sure to wipe down everything down here inside the inlet of the machine to make sure there's no dust or debris in there. If your filter was not damaged or any dust or debris on it, you can go ahead and put back your filter on your machine. Now, per ResMed, you want to change that filter at least once every 6 months. I will tell you that you should check your filter after every time that you use the machine. Now, it doesn't have to be every day, but if you go on a week vacation, you take your machine and use it for a week, after that week, you do want to open up, clean everything, make sure that everything is good to go and that your filter is not damaged or any debris on it. If there is any damage or debris, just change out the filter. These are very inexpensive. You can change them out with no problem. If there's no damage, no debris, then you can leave it on, and ResMed recommends at least once every 6 months to replace that filter. As far as the ResMed AirMini device goes, that's all the maintenance that you have to do to the actual device. Now we're gonna move on to the actual supplies that come with the device. For your tubing and mask, you wanna make sure to disassemble. Now that we have all the parts disassembled, what you wanna do is get warm soapy water. You wanna use a mild detergent. What you can do is go to your sink, fill up your sink with warm soapy water. You're gonna grab all of your supplies and you're gonna submerge it in the warm soapy water. After you let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, you're gonna take it out. You can get a soft bristle brush and go around all the edges to make sure you clean out all the debris that can be inside the parts. Once your parts are nice and washed, you wanna make sure to rinse them out very good and you're gonna let them air dry. To air dry, you can put them on top of a clean towel. Make sure that you put it on a clean surface. You don't put it on anywhere that can contaminate the supplies. For a more detailed video on how to clean your CPAP tubing, you can click on the link above. Once you have all your parts nice and clean and nice and dry, you have to reassemble all the parts. Now you can go ahead and replug your machine. And there your device is ready to use. As you can see, maintaining your AirMini takes just a very few simple steps. If you feel that we've missed something in this video or you have a comment, please comment down below. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Thank you, and until next time.